If the future can really be known through astrology, why don't astrologers use it to win lotteries or in the stock exchange?
Well, those days astrologers didn't write that this will happen like this, lottery. If someone says they are going to talk to you about lottery through astrology, you are misled. Astrology doesn't talk about your lotteries. It won't give you your lottery numbers. Definitely you are right. Otherwise all astrologers would have become very multimillionaires. Astrology is only an indication. It's like the weather forecast. Weather forecast says today is going to be rain. Not necessary it will. All the prediction weather forecast comes true. Does it? Many times they say, oh, the hurricane is going to hit the coast of Tamil Nadu. The hurricane misses the coast of Tamil Nadu and goes and hits Andhra Pradesh. Do you call this is fake? Do you call this the meteorological department itself as a fake or as incorrect? No. At that time, at that moment, they saw, yes, this force is coming and this is going to hit the Tamil Nadu coast. And so they predicted. They are not trying to fool you. The weather forecast is not trying to fool you. They are giving honestly what their observations are. But nature is not a machine. Nature is alive, so it can change its mind. You can predict a machine, you cannot predict a human being unless they behave like a machine. A conscious human being you cannot predict. That's why astrology says astrology cannot predict on the saints and swamis, saints or spiritual people. Because when you are in spirituality, your awareness is larger. And there's somebody who is a palmist, who is also Ottafin teacher, I think, in Andhra Pradesh. He made a research. The people after Sudarshan Kriya, after meditation, they see all the lines are changing in their hands. They found the lines have changed. Maybe we can even conduct more research. What was your prediction before, and you do advanced course, you do sadhana, you do meditation, and after that, definitely it will be in a better place. So, astrology should not be taken as a gospel or taken as a line on the stone, on the rock. It gives you an indication, definitely. These times are good, these times are like this. It's a common sense. It happens when certain planets, because the mind is affected by time. Mind and time are very connected, very close. So in certain situations, what can happen is your mind goes topsy-turvy. It goes into toss. It does all sorts of things. Your mind can make you lose your confidence. It will make you lose your faith. It will make you lose your attachments or your passions. Suddenly you find you have a passion for something, suddenly your passion disappears. This is all affected by the time also. Different time of the day also has an impact on the mind. Seasons have an impact on you. You don't behave the same in winter and in summer. But certain patterns in us goes beyond the time. If it is so deeply ingrained in, these are called the karmas, sanskaras. Certain patterns are so ingrained in you, you behave that way all through the year. And when you become aware of it, you want to overcome it, you can definitely do it. That is why astrology also says upayas, remedies. Remedy is what? Just chant, meditate, do pranayama. Chant Om Namah Shivaya. All astrology, all north, east, west, south astrology all says Om Namah Shivaya chant.